Hello viewer, Google Assistant Play the News feature is missing in Gemini application. If you want to solve Play the News feature not showing in your Gemini application, please follow the step. Open your Gemini app, tap on profile icon, go to setting, scroll down and go to Google Assistant feature in Gemini, tap on here. Now scroll down and go to routines. Now scroll down. Now go to good morning routine. Scroll down and find out play the news. So tap on play the news. Click on edit. From here you can add news resources. For general news update, play the news. For your assistant will play news from these selected resources. Tap on add shows. Now from here you can select your preferable news channel or news shows. So add your preferable sources from here. Now go back and tap on add starter. From here you can set your specific time. Tap on when I say to my Google Assistant. In this box add tell me the news or what happened today, or read the news from CNN or BBC. Now your all setup is ready.